Hey, what's up, guys? Right now, you have a UPC code staring you right in the face. Yes, this is a UPC code, otherwise known as a Universal Product Code. You've seen this code many a times before. Anytime you make a purchase, anytime you're at the store, they're scanning something. This is the code that they're scanning. It's simply used to just track and identify inventory within a business. Amazon actually has their own UPC code. They call it an ASIN number, which I believe is your Amazon seller's identification number. I believe that's what it means exactly. Sorry, I may be forgetting what that S means, but I'm pretty sure it's your Amazon seller identification number. And we will need to get that ASIN number to give to our supplier so that they can print out that ASIN number sticker and place it on each individual product. But in order to get that ASIN number, we have to first give Amazon a UPC code that they will take in turn and actually give us an ASIN number for giving them a UPC number. And remember, it's just to track inventory. It's very simple to purchase a UPC code. All you're going to simply do is go to Google, because there's many companies out there, so there's not necessarily one that I recommend. Try whichever one that fits your budget. So you're just going to type in buy UPC code, and you will see that there are many sites that come up. Snapupc.com. I mean, I've actually used them to purchase a few UPC codes, and they're very cheap. They go anywhere from about $1 to $5, even less than that, even less than $1 sometimes. It just depends on the site. I don't have a site in particular, but just hop on Google, search around, find some UPC codes. And the way to test to make sure that UPC code is good is that once you purchase it, you'll see the actual number that goes along with the line code. You'll take that number and you'll go to your Amazon Seller Central account. I'll start from the home page so you know where we're at. We'll go to catalog, we'll go to add products, and we'll take that UPC number that we just purchased and we'll just copy and paste it here. And it will actually tell us whether that UPC code is good or not. And 9 times out of 10, it is going to be good. But I'll give you an example and show you how I would do it myself. I actually have a list of UPC codes that I store on my drive. So let me pull up that sheet right here, UPC. So right now this shows the UPC codes that are currently already in use. So what I'll do is I'll come and grab this number, because when you actually buy that UPC code, you're not going to buy that actual barcode, like the image of the lines that people actually scan. It's a number. And we'll actually take that number after we purchase our UPC code, and we're just going to check it within the list of new product. You just search that, and you see we cannot find any products for this number, this UPC code. That tells me that this UPC code has not been used. It's available for use, and it has not been used already, which is good because it shouldn't be. Since you purchased it, it should be brand new. And I will show you later within the course how we give this UPC code to Amazon to generate an ASIN. But for right now, just go ahead and purchase a UPC code. You get a UPC code per product. So let's say you buy 1,000 products and it's of one thing. All 1,000 of those products will have the same UPC code. But let's say you purchase 1,000 blue and 1,000 green. The 1,000 blue will have their own UPC code, and the 1,000 green will have their own UPC code. So depending on how many products that you're going to put out there, that's how many UPC codes you need. But I would assume that you're only going to start with purchasing one product right now. So therefore, you may only need one UPC code, and that will cover all of your inventory as long as it's the same product. So remember, purchase your UPC code. After you purchase it, go to your Amazon Seller Central account, go to catalog, go to add a product, paste it here, search, and you should get this message that says we cannot find any products for that UPC code number because it should be brand new. Catch you guys in the next video.